what I did was I even washed these two filters, which you're not supposed to, and I sit them in the window for a couple days, and they're dry. Not gonna spend $20–30 on this vacuum. Not after finding it by the garbage, somebody left it. So I wouldn't advise washing these in the sink though. Maybe this one, but the HEPA filter, it definitely won't dry as good. You can see daylight through there, so it's not plugged now. So I'm going to put all this on the table, and we're going to get set up. Top. You might have to turn the motor a little bit to sit in there. Just have these things level. I'll have to route the power cord up and then put a knot in the white one, just so I remember. There's wasps all over the place, but I took the plants off the table. This spring-like mechanism goes right in here along the track, seeing like that, and then you put your switch in. And you'll see it right there. And once you get it down into place, you put the screw on. Put the screw on. Got to put this little felt in here, right in there. I had too many wires bunched up here. I have to move them on this side because there's a little space on the case where it sits. Right in there. See, now that I made room for the case to fit in, see it's fitting pretty flush now. I just got to put the 5 screws back in. in. The rubber gasket goes on the inside. Okay, that HEPA filter's in there. Maybe I should put the canister in now to clean off the table. The instructions are over here. Well, that doesn't work that great. Okay, now I'm going to put it back on the canister. And right here to that, to the line. Just like that. That's why I have these screws out, so it can maneuver a little bit. It's almost in place now. I just got to put the wire through on that side. And now I can put the 2 screws back in. This fits on the bottom going downwards, because you'll see that there's a little keeper there where it sits into the plastic right here. Sits in there like that. One side, at the other side, got some hooks that go along the front, and then you just push it downwards. And there's a snap right there. And you just route the wire. There's a place here, and there's one right over there to clip it behind. Here and there. It's got little things that just put down in there. A whole bunch of them. All the way around. And once you got it down, there's 2 little clips that you just clip in there, on this side and one on the other side. Just little notches. Now we can put the top on and close it off. That. And we'll put this piece on. I guess I shouldn't push it that hard on the glass. Maybe I should put it on the ground to push it on, even though that's tempered glass. There, it's all back together now. have to plug it in and give it a try. Now that I have it on more solid ground, I'll show you how that tensioner works. And you just click it downwards. There. And right now it's for floors. And the belt won't, the brush bar won't be on. Can vacuum up the vacuum up all the leaves over.